Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Danish dough. First, combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour with 50 grams of sugar and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Next, activate 7 grams of active dry yeast in 125 milliliters of warm milk, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the yeast mixture to your dry ingredients and knead until a smooth dough forms. Cover and chill this dough for at least 30 minutes, preparing it for the next step. Now, let's prepare our butter block. Take 200 grams of very cold butter and place it between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Using a rolling pin, gently pound and roll the butter into a square, approximately 6 by 6 inches. It's essential that the butter stays firm and cold. If it softens too much, pop it back into the refrigerator for a few minutes. This perfectly shaped, cold butter is key to achieving those beautiful, flaky layers in your Danish dough. With your dough chilled, roll it out on a lightly floured surface into a rectangle about 12 by 6 inches. Place your cold butter block onto one half of the dough, leaving a 1-inch border around the edges. Fold the other half of the dough over the butter, carefully sealing all the edges to enclose the butter completely. Now, you'll perform 3 turns, which involves rolling, folding into thirds, and chilling for 30 minutes between each turn. This builds those incredible layers. After the final turn and chill, roll your laminated dough to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Now comes the fun part, shaping. Cut your dough into squares, triangles, or any desired form for your pastries. You can add your favorite fillings like fruit or cream cheese. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Bake your Danish pastries at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Enjoy your delicious homemade Danish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.